Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Notion to-do list. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. Choose the Table Database option to begin building your task manager. Next, add a name property to describe each task clearly. Finally, include a checkbox property. This simple addition allows you to easily mark tasks as finished, providing a clear visual of your progress and helping you stay organized from the very start. Now let's make your to-do list even more powerful. Add a date property to assign specific deadlines or due dates to your tasks, ensuring you never miss an important commitment. Next, introduce a select property for priority levels, allowing you to categorize tasks as high, medium, or low. This helps you quickly identify what needs your immediate attention. Lastly, include a text property for any extra notes or context you might need for each item. With your tasks entered, it's time to organize and prioritize effectively. First, apply a filter to display only your incomplete tasks, keeping your view clean and focused on what still needs doing. Then, sort your tasks by their due date. This helps you see upcoming deadlines at a glance, ensuring timely completion. You can also group tasks by priority, allowing you to tackle the most urgent items first and manage your workload efficiently. To take your Notion to-do list to the next level, explore different views. Create a board view to visualize tasks by their status like to do, in progress, and done, offering a clear workflow overview. Additionally, set up a calendar view to see your tasks spread across a timeline, which is excellent for planning. For recurring tasks, utilize Notion's template feature. This saves you time and ensures consistent task creation without manual repetition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.